Hi guys, I'm sure you guys are a little disappointed with the way the shooters especially have performed in in the first 2 days. But don't worry, there are many other competitions which are yet to be completed. The qualification rounds are going on. So let's have a look at which Indian athletes are going to be taking center stage tomorrow. Here's the schedule. First at 5:30 a.m. early morning Indian Standard Time, it's fencing time. Bhavani Devi versus Nadia Ben Azizi. Then archery men's team round of 8 eliminations. It's India versus Kazakhstan at 6 a.m. Then we move on to shooting. Men's skit qualification, Angad Veer Singh Bajwa and Mehraj Ahmed Khan. It's day 2. Day 1 was today, and Angad is definitely in contention to move to the final round. We'll see what happens tomorrow, and this men's skit qualification round will start at 6:30 a.m. Then table tennis men's single, Satyan lost today, but we still have our hopes as Sharat Kamal takes center stage tomorrow. Round 2, 6:30 a.m. Tennis, and this is lawn tennis. Previous one was table tennis. Lawn tennis men's single second round, Sumit Nagal versus Daniel Medvedev at 7:30 a.m. I know all of you must be thinking that Sumit Nagal might surely is going to lose, but don't lose hope. Keep supporting him, keep cheering for him, and I'm sure he will do well. Then we have table tennis women's single, Fu Yu versus Sutirtha Mukherjee, round 2 at 8:30 a.m. Followed by sailing laser opening series, Vishnu Saravanan race 2 at 8:35 a.m. Then badminton men's doubles. It's a group play stage. Chirag and Satvik Sairaj takes on the Indonesian pair at 9:10 a.m. Then again back to sailing laser opening series, Vishnu Saravanan race 3 at 9:50 a.m. Then we move on to sailing laser dial opening series, Netra Kumaran race 3 11:05 a.m. Then it's again sailing laser radial opening series, Netra Kumaran race 4 12:20 p.m. Then we move on to table tennis women's singles, Sofia Polkanova versus Manika Batra, round 3 1 p.m. And when we are talking about Manika Batra's match, you should check out the video that Orgo has done on Manika Batra's excellent, inspirational and fantastic comeback that she made in today's match. Do watch that video. The link will be in the description below. Moving on from Manika Batra's match, it's to the boxing ring, men's middleweight, round of 32, Ashish Kumar versus Erbiake at 3:06 p.m. Then we move on to swimming, men's 200-meter butterfly heat, Sajan Prakash, heat 2, 3:50 p.m. And last event of the day, but definitely not the least, hockey women's tournament pool matches, Germany versus India at 5:45 p.m. I know India lost the match. Indian women's hockey team lost the match against Netherlands, but they did show a lot of grit and determination for most part of the match. Guys, I know when we spoke about this Olympics, and in fact in every single Olympics, all of us are hopeful of getting as many medals as possible. Think of it, all the athletes are also working hard towards it. Nobody wants to lose, especially if you and I sitting at home cheering for the athletes hate to lose. Then think of those girls and guys who have been putting up so much effort for the past 5 years. And 5 years of their all sorts of hard work that they have done in 5 years are probably getting blown away in one day. It's tough for them. Sometimes tough luck, sometimes a bad day, sometimes maybe nerve, pressure, authorities or whatever is bothering them. Maybe we are not getting as many medals as we hoped for. Shooting was definitely where we had expected Manu Bhakkar to do well, Saurabh Chaudhary to do well. But come on, after all of them are representing our country. Let's keep cheering them on and let's keep watching Sports Addiction. Watch our video, like, share, subscribe, because every single day we will give you the schedule for the next day so that you know when do you want to wake up, which player you want to follow, and when do you want to check the scores. Also, I will be bringing in the scores, the score update, and Mr. Bhattacharya, yes, Orgo, will be bringing in some very, very special videos. So watch the Olympics with us, with the Indian players. Keep cheering for the Indian contingent playing in Tokyo and keep cheering for Sports Addiction. Until next time, bye-bye.